Huanglongbing, also known as citrus greening disease, is a disease that's common to plants. It's known as Huanglongbing because it directly translates to yellow branching disease. And this is the cause of Asian citrus phystids. There's also an African version. Both of them are found here in American soil, and they affect a majority of our crops here in Florida. As you know, we are the Sunshine State, and we do have tons of oranges growing here. Besides Florida, we do Brazil is the second leading country in orange production. It might be first on that. I'm not 100% too sure. And this disease is taking over. It reduces orange juice amounts and destroys crops. If a plant is found with that disease, they have to either burn the tree or cut it down to pretty much just the stump and then have the tree grow back. There are very few pesticides that keep them away. And yeah, so it is a disease that is hurting our economy in the agricultural department. And with that, they have quarantined the state of Florida, so no orange trees are allowed to come into or leave the state of Florida unless they have been known to not have citrus greening disease. And if they are, and you have brought them out of state lines, you can receive a fine up to $10,000. And this is pretty serious for simply bringing a plant into another state. This is mainly to reduce contamination in other states and other places of the country and even the world, just like they do for, saying, bringing plants or even small animals to other countries whenever you travel and things like that. It's all a precaution, and it's something that we need to be aware of as Floridians. Yep, and I've reached my 2-minute mark. I'm not the best speaker. I do have a weird, funny voice, and yeah, that's my speech.